Once upon a time, in a magical forest, there was a little fairy named Lily. She was the smallest fairy in the forest, but she had the biggest heart. She loved to play with the other fairies and the forest animals, and she was always looking for ways to help others. One day, while out on a walk, Lily came across a lost rabbit. The rabbit told her that it couldn't find its way back to its burrow and was feeling very scared and alone. Lily, determined to help her new friend, set out to find the rabbit's home. She flew through the forest, following the rabbit's directions, and soon they came across a beautiful clearing. But to their dismay, they found that the clearing was being taken over by a group of mean and mischievous goblins. The goblins had blocked off the rabbit's burrow, and they were using it as a hideout. Lily knew that she couldn't let the goblins continue to terrorize the innocent animals of the forest, so she hatched a plan to drive them away. She gathered her fairy friends, and together they set out to trick the goblins. They flew over the clearing, fluttering their wings and singing sweet songs, pretending to be unaware of the goblins' presence. The goblins, curious about the fairies, came out of their hideout to see what was happening. While they were distracted, Lily and her friends cast a spell that made the clearing bloom with flowers and grow tall grasses. The goblins, not liking the new environment, quickly lost interest and left, not to be seen again. The rabbit was overjoyed to be able to return to its burrow and thanked Lily for her help. From that day on, the clearing was known as the Fairy Garden, and it became a peaceful and beautiful place where all the animals of the forest could come and play. Lily and her friends became known as the protectors of the forest and were always ready to help any creature in need. The little girl hearing this story felt the warmth of kindness and the love of friendship before she went to sleep, and the fairies danced in her dreams, showing her the wonders and beauty of the world around her.